The world's oldest person dies in Uganda at the age of 139, um, leaves 209 grand great grandchildren. Arua, Uganda, a revered matriarch from Arua district, has been laid to rest amid claims of extraordinary longevity, with family and community members celebrating a life they say spanned 139 years and touched generations across West Nile. Mama Louisa Omere Nafula, a respected traditional birth attendant, was buried on 4th May in Vura Town Council after reportedly passing away on 1st May 2026. Family records indicate she was born on 5th May 1886, placing her age 139 years. If independently verified, this would surpass the longest confirmed human lifespan held by Jean-Louis Calment, recognized by Guinness World Records at 122 years and 164 days. However, no official global verification of Mama Omene's age has been established. A life of service and legacy. Described as a pillar in her community, Mama Omena served from decades as traditional birth attendant, helping deliver countless children across generations. She was also known for her skill in preparing traditional food such as okakuka and lived a peasant farmer and homemaker. According to family members, she is survived by 11 children, 5 still living, and an expansive lineage that includes 209 grandchildren. She was blessed with big family and her legacy will continue through generations, says Godfrey Ekon, one of her great-grandchildren. Delivering the homely Reverend Frank Samuel Odonga, Vice Rector of Pokua Major Seminar, urged mourners to adopt value that he said contributed to the deceased's long life. He called on community to live responsibly, embrace faith, and prioritize traditional diets over processed foods, which he warned over increasingly harm public health. While Mama Omene's reported age remaining unverified internationally, her story has reignited conversations about longevity in Uganda. According to the World Health Organization, Uganda's life expectancy has risen significantly from about 48 years old in 2000 to approximately 66 years old by 2021. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has similarly noted improvements, citing expanded immunizations and access to clean water as they drives. Health experts say longevity is influenced by a mix of genetics, environment, and lifestyle, with diet, physical activities, and social structures playing major roles. Whether or not the age is official, recognized, Mama Omene's life stands as a symbol of resilience, cultural continuity, and deep-rooted community values in West Nile. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your work. I know God is going to